Kim Anderson, our crop marketing specialist, joins us now. Kim, another sort of lackluster week in the wheat markets. Give us the latest on prices.
You looked at KC wheat contract, a 10-cent move this week was a big move. The good news is that that contract price is up around $4.20. It's got resistance at $4.25, so we're right against that top. The strong resistance is at $4.30. If we can pop that, then I think we got a little ways to run. Now that contract has support at $3.95, so you got about 25 cents risk in the market right now. You look at the corn contract, it's right around for that December CBT contract for corn, right at $3.40. That's the resistance, the support at $3.15, so you got about 25 cents risk in it, and that corn may pop that $3.40 this week and maybe a little run there. If you look at the soybeans, that November contract's at $9.80. It's got resistance at $10, strong resistance at $10.20, so I'd really watching the $10.20 rather than the $10. It's got support at $9.40, so you got about 40 cents risk in the beans, but all those markets are just wallowing around right now.
How are wheat export markets shaping up?
Well, they're, especially for hard red winter wheat, they're looking really good. Hard red winter wheat export sales since June 1 is 85% higher than last year. This week, Morocco bought 140,000 metric ton. That's a little over 5 million bushels of hard red winter wheat. The report I saw is that is feed wheat. And maybe we'll get some of this wheat out of some of these bunkers that we got in the state. And of course, I think that'll help prices. You look at all wheat export sales, they're 23% above last year, so wheat exports have been looking relatively good.
Now, of course, corn harvest is underway. Let's look at how actual yields are meeting expectations.
Well, right now they're below expectations, and I'd say that's relatively good news for wheat, and probably corn prices bottom out. We got a lot of the harvest to go yet, but right now we're projecting 15.1 billion bushels of corn crop. The last record was 14.2. Last year was 13.6. So we can lose quite a bit on yields and still be above last year and still have excess corn. If you look at the world, 40.4 billion bushels. The record was 39.9. Last year was 37.8. So the world doesn't have as much excess corn as we do, but there's still a little more than we need.
Of course, a lot of wheat planting going on right now. It's always great to see the green popping up in the field. But what's on the mind of producers kind of all across Oklahoma? How long will these grain prices stay below the cost of production? If you look at the records and over time, the general rule of thumb is wheat prices, it takes 2 years for them to clear the market and get back up. Corn can do it in 1, but we both know that weather is going to be the determining factor. Right now, I'm really nervous. I think the soonest that we could expect that would be September, October of 2017, and it may be 2018 in September, October before we get those prices up in the $5, $6, or $7 range. Kim, always great to see you. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next week.